I like to give myself an extra 10 minutes every morning to get to work, not rush on the way home. And then I've personally never had an at-fault accident in the winter, actually, ever. So, yeah, I don't know, whatever I'm doing seems to be working. But back when I was a body technician, it was basically money raining from the sky, right? So I loved it. But yeah, for your average consumer who's gonna be paying their deductible and stuff, it's not too fun for them. Whether it be inexperienced drivers or people just not paying attention, don't have their winter tires on yet. As soon as that first snowfall hits, it seems like claims go up, and then you're struggling to get booked in with SGI, then booked into the shop, and it's a mess. So I think that'd be valuable for experienced drivers too, right? Like, everybody thinks they're the best driver, but whether you are or not is a different story. So wouldn't hurt, right? Especially when you go 6 or 8 months with no snow on the ground, and then suddenly, boom, you got snow. You forget how to drive. It seems like everybody forgets how to drive, but yeah.